The DNS Speed Boost, Outsmarting Your ISP, a guide to reclaiming your internet speed and privacy from default settings. You pay for high-speed internet, but your ISP's default map might be slowing you down. We're going to fix that by switching to the relentless speed of Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. The invisible bottleneck. The concept: think of DNS, which is Domain Name System, as the GPS of the Internet. It translates google.com into the IP address the computer understands: 142.250.191.238. The problem: default ISP servers, like Xfinity's, are often cluttered with tracking data and inefficient routing. It's like navigating with an outdated paper map that forces you to stop and look at ads. We tested this change on a standard connection using an Ethernet cable. The result: a jump from 399.9 megabytes per second to 428.1 megabytes per second. Beyond raw speed, switching to Cloudflare prevents your ISP from logging your browsing history for ad targeting. Entering the engine room. We are bypassing the cluttered Windows settings menu to go straight to the network core. The Pro shortcut: press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This command instantly opens your network connection panel, regardless of your Windows version. In the window that appears, locate your active connection, usually labeled Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click your active adapter and select Properties. You will need administrator permission to proceed. The Internet speaks two languages: the standard IPv4 and the modern IPv6. To ensure every request is routed through the fast lane, we will update both. Step 1. Select Internet Protocol, version 4, TCP IPv4, and click the Properties button. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the information listed for both the preferred DNS server and the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save and return to the previous list. Back in the main list, select Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, and click Properties. Enter the modern Cloudflare addresses. Again, enter the preferred DNS server information and the alternate DNS server information, just as it's listed here. Your system is now optimized. Close all windows. You have now successfully outsmarted the default configuration. What to expect: faster page loads, enhanced privacy from ISP tracking, and a more responsive internet experience. Enjoy the speed. Thanks for watching.